welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen. This is Just Jen's Things. These are the things that make me smile. We are back in my loft today, and guys, I am so excited. Today I have another kind of unboxing for you guys. I got subscriber mail. So excited. Our wonderful subscriber Krisha sent us over a huge box of fragrance mists that she had decluttered from her own collection, and some of these are really rare and some of them I've never even smelled before. So if you like body sprays and fragrance mists and Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret, you are going to love today's episode. Please stick around. Let's get into this subscriber mail. Real quick, can you do me a favor? Can you hit subscribe? It's right down there. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, comment on this video if you can. It really helps the algorithm. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. And once me and Rob hit 1,000 subscribers, we are giving away a $50 gift card to our favorite Bath & Body Works, and we would love to go ahead and give it out really soon. We are so close, and we wouldn't be this close if it wasn't for you guys. We really appreciate all of the subscribers. We appreciate all the comments and the conversations down below, because guys, that is the funnest part and the best part about being able to make content, is being able to get to know you. As I said, today's video is subscriber mail. So she sent over the most amazing box of body sprays that she had decluttered. There was a gift in there of the amazing cat Halloween 3-wick candle holder, and it broke. I'm so sorry, Krisha. It was so thoughtful of you. She also sent a mahogany teakwood intense candle. It's actually downstairs in our candle hutch cabinet where we keep all of our candle holders and hand soaps and wallflowers and all of the decor items. So it's actually down there. But thank you so much for your generosity, Krisha. She has been really, really wonderful to get to know and to chat with over the last several months. She's been really amazing. She sent out a box previously about 3 or 4 months ago, and she did send this one. She does want you guys all to know as well that she does go ahead and give very generously to her friends and her family as well. These are just items that she had gone ahead and they were interested in, so she sent them to me to smell. So thank you again, Krisha. I am very excited about this. So I put all of the mists that she had given us, I put them in little reusable tote bags because I had to collapse the box that she had sent. Anyway, let's jump on in. So one of the most amazing things that Krisha does is she sends the sweetest cards, you guys. And this one is Snow White. Her first card that she sent me is Disney. As you guys know, I am a huge Disney fan. She sent me the beautiful, and it has little stones on it. It's so beautiful. So I'm excited to put that with the other one that Krisha gave us. So that was the card that she sent me. Thank you again, Krisha, because that is just unbelievably generous. And let's get into this. So the first spray out of one of the tote bags, this is Starlit Night. This is Snowberry, Midnight Iris, and Sensual Agarwood? Agarwood? I'm not sure. Let's smell this one. That is pretty. So I get the Midnight Iris. This is really pretty. This is going to be gorgeous in the winter. So I am very excited. Thank you. I have never had this one. So I'm really excited to add that into my winter collection. Let's get into this one. I never had these. I don't know why. This is Sapphire Moon, you guys. I don't know why I never added this to my collection. This is Sparkling Pear, Cher Freesia, and Moonlit Musk. And I love this. I also, like, as you guys know, one of my favorite scents, it's way up there though. That is pretty. That's pretty. What is the one that I really love? Dream Bright. It kind of reminds me of Dream Bright. So let's get into, okay, I've never smelled this one either. This is Midsummer Dream. And this is Salted Pear, Fresh Nectarine, and Seaside Lily. I have heard people talk so highly of this before. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you get that nectarine and the lily. That's a really, really pretty scent. Again, that one is Midsummer Dream. I'm so excited for this. Okay, she sent me Prismatic Stars. This is Raspberry Stardust, Mystic Plum, and Cosmic Cashmere. Oh, you really get the plum in this one. The plum and cashmere. That's gonna be really pretty in the winter too. And like I said, guys, some of these I've never smelled and I've never had. So I'm very excited to have them in the collection. This one is Autumn Nights. We have heard, and this one doesn't have, I don't know what year this is, but it doesn't have scent notes on it, guys. This is gonna be, I've already smelled this one. It's so pretty. Okay, it doesn't have scent notes, guys, though, but that one is stunning. What else do we have? Okay, here is another rare one. They're rare to me. Guys, all of these are rare to me. This is Whipped Vanilla Chiffon. No scent notes on this one either. If you guys know the scent notes, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And you guys know, I am like in my vanilla era. That one is stunning. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna test out and smell all of these. Okay, so I have this one, but I needed a backup, so I'm like so excited for this. This is 1,000 Wishes. I love that one. This is another super good one. This one is the Misty Morning. This is Lily of the Valley, Green Tea, and White Amber. We probably won't smell all of these because there's so many to go through. This is a Victoria's Secret mist, and this is Heavenly Dream Angel. Does that have notes on it? No. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know why I've never picked any of those up either. So I'm gonna try and separate some of her Victoria's Secret ones. But let's keep going, or we're gonna be here forever, guys. Okay, this is Victoria's Secret, and this is Nectar Wave. And this one is Fresh Agave, Pink Berries, Go With The Flow. Oh, you really get the berries in that one. That's really pretty. I love that one. And you guys know me, I have been kind of gathering and getting together more of like a Victoria's Secret collection. I'm excited for this one. This is a mini in White Coconut Caramel. Yeah, you really get like the coconut and the caramel in that one. That's pretty. It almost has like a chocolate note to it too. That's stunning. Okay. This is my all-time favorite, so I am so excited to have a backup for it. Blush Cardigan. This is the one that like people say smells like Dr. Pepper, but I love Diet Dr. Pepper, but this smells so good, guys. So good. I am excited to have that. This one is Pink Lemonade by Pink. And this one had, it's missing like the nozzle, so I will decant this one. And I will link my decant video if you've never done that. It's actually a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. This is Eternal Sunflower. You guys know, Golden Sunflower is my favorite scent from like Bath and Body Works. This is Victoria's Secret, Eternal Sunflower. I am so excited for this scent. It's sunflower petals, vanilla orchid, flower powered. It is stunning, stunning. So I am so excited that she gave me that one. And then this, guys, this is Wrapped in Sunshine. This is Golden Citrus, White Peach, and Blonde Woods. Wow, that is good. You really get like a good mix of that peach, citrus, and the woods. I would say this would be beautiful to wear in like August, early September. This is so pretty. And it says, feel the sun on your skin, breathe in the fresh air, and wrap yourself in the scent of this season. It's finally fall. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. If you guys have ever heard of this scent, again, this is Wrapped in Sunshine. That is really good. Really good, guys. And we have so much more to go through still. Jasmine Cassis by Victoria's Secret, you guys. This one is so good. This is Jasmine Awakens Cassis, Saturated Passion Fruit, Illuminated Depth. I love like that passion fruit. This is so good, guys. It is absolutely amazing. So I love that one. You guys know, like, I love passion fruit scents. This one is called Pink. This is one of the mood scents, and this is Happy. It's lemon oil and lily of the valley. Oh, that is pretty. That's really pretty. Mood Sense technology uses the power of fragrance to help invoke positive moods. Yeah, that's stunning, guys. That's really pretty. Okay, we have so many to go through. This is Pink, and this is a Basic Apple. I've never had this either. Oh, that's nice. Okay, this is a Pure Orchard Obsession, all about the apple aroma. That's really, really pretty. Okay, guys. Let's see. Okay, this one, Hibiscus Paradise. This is Pink Hibiscus, Juicy Guava, Sun-Kissed Coconut. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm so excited to have some of these scents in my collection. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Why don't they have this more often? Hibiscus Paradise, guys, that is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, what else do we have? That is everything from that bag. Now, I think what I'll do is I will break this up into 2 videos for you guys. So that is everything in the first bag of what she had sent me. Comment down below if there is one that you have in this collection, one that you think is rare, or what you think your most rare in your own collection is. I would love to know. Comment down below, and guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.